What is up, guys? Andrew No Excuses TV here, and today we're reviewing the Naked Running Band. So I've talked about a little bit about this band previously in a video, basically how it was my go-to hydration pack, pouch, whatever you want to call it, while I'm trail running, while I'm kind of getting into trail running a little bit more. And so today is a review about it. If you kind of remember from that previous video of all my 3 hydration kind of ways that I've done so far, the handheld, the band, and the pack, so far the band is something I come back to almost 100% of the time now. I'm running short enough distances where I don't need a ton of water. I use the Ultimate Direction half-liter water bottle, this soft flask, and it fits pretty well on here. So let's go ahead and talk about what else got. So this is like considered the front, and so the front has 2 of these kind of little push button things. I don't really know what you call them, but essentially it's what you would use if you're going to put on your running bib. There's like 3 main sections. So if I'm having it on the front, you have 2 main sections on this side. You have a big pouch in the back. I've seen a lot of people running with the back section toward the front. That allows them to have the water right up front with them, and when they're running it doesn't bounce. It seems like when I run if I put the water in the back, it bounces a lot, so I usually keep it on my left side most of the time. The half-liter fits in here no problem. I have had some issues with I'm doing my phone. I've got an iPhone 10 Plus, and so it's not really wide enough to fit in here real good, and so a lot of times it closes my applications or locks itself, which can get frustrating, but that's a first world problem, and it's really nothing to do with the band itself and what its function is supposed to be. Haven't had to run with any type of nutrition yet, but I don't think you could pack a ton of it in there. If you're doing maybe a half marathon, probably even a marathon, you would be fine with this thing, but I don't think most of the places that if I'm doing a half marathon or a marathon in a town, a lot of times they're just handheld. That's all they're allowing you to have, so this is kind of out the window anyway. These little yellow tabs here, that's to help you get into the running band. And so when it's on your waist, you're kind of pulling these yellow tabs out to get it away from you, so you can shove stuff in there, let it go. There is a spot on the right side for keys, and so you get a little clip. One thing that I wish they had for the little clip, and this again is kind of first world again, but a lot of the clips for the Osprey packs, it's a different company, but for the Osprey packs, whenever I'm hooking them, if I'm taking my keys back off, I don't have to fight to get over that little lip right there. But with this one, I have to almost push in to get over that lip. Again, not a huge issue, but something I think about. It's got 2 spots on the back here, and so you can see they have the Naked branding on it. That's where you can put your trekking poles if you're going for big trails or long distance trails or have a lot of altitude change. So the issues that I've had, I need to just cut this off. It comes out all the time, the tag does, and it's really frustrating. Another thing is the naming on the side is tore off. It's already rubbed off. I haven't washed it, haven't done anything like that. I don't know what's causing the branding to come off. But other than that, except for the fact that I think I got a size too small, I think this thing's great. I really enjoy it. It's functioning exactly how it's supposed to. The one problem is I kind of lose these buttons every now and then. They'll fly off. Actually, my son pulled one off on accident and had to put it back on there. But I understand you have to take them off to get the race bib back on, but I bumped it too many times, and it's kind of a little annoying. I don't know if there's a way to work around that. I don't know. I really enjoy it. It's probably right now it's my go-to thing to keep me hydrated. I use this to carry my, right now it's basically my phone, keys, and water. That's really all I've needed for. If I could change it, like I said, one side's bigger, but other than that, I think it's a pretty awesome way to stay hydrated. So have you tried out the Naked? I know they have a Naked pack that's really close, and it looks really good. The one issue that I've had with packs is rubbing on the sides because of my body type, but I think the Naked pack would be pretty sweet because it's hugging everything close, it's real thick, not moving much at all. I'd like to try that out next, honestly. But let me know, have you tried out the Naked Running Band? Have you tried out the Naked packs that they have? Leave it in the comments down below if you have, what your experiences have been, and I'll see you in the next one.